So here's the quick grab shot of tearing down on Sunday afternoon. That's the Mustard's trailer. That's going to get loaded up. Things are being broken down. Rear disassembly is in progress. This is what's underneath it, behind the curtain. These are the floor blocks to elevate the return loop, and they use electrical conduit, not thin wall, the other stuff, and it all just packs up very neatly. They have several of those, and that's it. We're about half an hour 45 minutes into this.